Hi everybody, my name is Erwin. I work at Digital Realty as a solution architect, and today I'm going to talk to you about cloud adjacency. As a co-location provider, we see many projects that organizations have using the public cloud. Successful projects is that proximity of the data to the public cloud is really important. So let me tell you about cloud adjacency, which brings the data really close to the cloud. What happens with cloud adjacency and with public cloud projects is that many organizations have their own on-premise data center. What that means is that in their own building they have put all their applications and their data storage. These applications, they help the organization do their business, and the data is being used by the applications. And because both are really close together, it works very well. Now, public cloud is really flexible and scalable, and it's also really easy to use. So many organizations have decided to build and move some of their applications into public cloud. So their applications sit in the public cloud, and they need to access the data that sits on the databases in the on-premise data center. So what happens is that a connection is created from the public cloud to the on-premise data center. And this is not unlike what happens when you drive your car and go to a shopping mall. So you come from your house, you go to a shopping mall to shop, and it's all fine if you're the only person doing this. But as you've probably noticed, when a lot of people shopping at the same time, you get really big traffic jams. This is exactly what happens with applications running in public clouds using data in an on-premise data center. If a million things are trying to be retrieved from the on-premise data center, the application trying to reach the data in the on-premise data center takes a really long time. It actually becomes just like a snail. The solution to solving this performance issue because of the long distance between the public cloud and the on-premise data center is to put the data that is required by the public cloud application as close to the public cloud as possible. And you can do this through co-location data centers. The funny thing is, the traffic from the public cloud going to your on-premise data center is already passing through the co-location data centers, because public clouds are only accessible through the co-location data center. This is where public clouds have their main access point for getting data into the public clouds. This is called an on-ramp to the public cloud. These on-ramps exist only in a small amount of data centers all over the globe. Digital Realty has many co-location data centers with these on-ramps. Bringing the public clouds applications as close to the data as possible requires organizations to put their data in a co-location data center. Not only bringing the data into the co-location data center puts it as close as possible to the application in the public cloud, it also ensures that it's as secure and reliable as possible, because the distance is really short, performance becomes fast, and it's also secure. You can make it even better by adding the applications into the co-location data center as well. Thank you for watching this short video. If you want to learn how Digital Realty can help you with your hybrid IT platform deployments, please join me in the next video.